Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Papa.
Wait.
Papa.
Look at Gizmo.
I need you to come here, Papa.
Hold on.
Oh, what is this? Papa.
Hold on, wait.
What is that? Who is that?
Hold on. Let Mama get her phone.
Is that your birthday present?
That's your birthday present from us. From everybody.
Yeah.
Who is that for you?
You from all of us.
That's for you. What do you think it is, by the way? Can you guess? Can you put her up, please?
Jojo, come here.
What do you think it is, Dylan?
There.
All for you, because it's your birthday. All for you.
What is it?
Jojo, come here.
Just rip it open.
Just rip it. Oh, he's trying to get scissors to open it up?
Rip it.
Just rip it, baby. What is it? What is it?
Jojo, come here.
You what? You got a brand new car. All right. Boy, you're lucky to get a car at your age. Move, Juju.
I want a new car.
You're doing a great job tearing it off. Just keep on tearing it off, baby. You got it. Whoever wrapped it pretty good, didn't they?
That's a big old model car.
So what do you think here? You want me to help you? Yeah? Need a little bit of help? Papa, why don't you come help a little bit?
I watch it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. That's a car now.
That's just a model car. It's not a real car.
Is that a real car? I think so.
It's just a model car. Yeah, it ain't getting on through this. It's so cute. He's gonna get all of it off first.
Yep. He's gonna get every piece of tape off. You go, boy.
What is that?
Is it a brand new car? Wow.
Your mirror's rolling in and out.
Hey, watch. Oh no. They got a door. Come here, Juju.
Wow.
Does it got a key?
Does it have a key?
Does it have a key?
Can you look in there and see if it's got a key?
Where's the key at?
There. Turn on the key.
Turn the key on. You almost got it. Oh! Nuh-uh.
Say cheese. Turn it on.
Wow.